My name is Ilando Rios. I will explain how to make your first 3D printed part. I will be using a 3D printer. I will explain what software to download or your options so you can model on 3D. The 3D printing technology has been around the year of 1980. In recent years, the technology has gained many attractions because it's more of a do-it-yourself, because it's something that you install in your home, and basically you calibrate it, install the component, learn the program, and you can print. Like anyone can print at a home. So maybe if you want to make a product, a plastic product, and you like don't have the equipment to make it plastic, with a 3D printer you can design it on a software, and 3D printer will make what you told the program to do. It's not efficient, but it's really cheap, but the equipment it's costly at first. So first you'll need a computer. Obviously you're gonna need a computer, and a computer that has import for USB 2.0, and you're going to install proprietary host, and then you'll need internet connection to install proprietary host, and optionally you can install SolidWorks. SolidWorks is to make your 3D printed model, but it's not necessarily. I'm going to explain further, but yeah, those three stuff you're gonna print. So you're gonna open your laptop and open your favorite search engine. Then go to repetier host download. Go here, visit download, click here. Then you need to download. When you download this, you install it, blah blah, and then optionally you can download SolidWorks here on Pirate Bay. You just don't tell anyone you download it, but here it's free, so more students can afford it. Yeah. For calibration, you're gonna need to loosen the bed and the extruder. Then you'll need a piece of paper, because the distance between the extruder and the bed, it's the same thickness of a paper. So you're gonna calibrate your 3D printer with this paper. Yeah. So you put it down here, and wait, I'm having technical difficulties. Put it down here, and then on the computer you tell the extruder to go down. So here you see it going down, and then you need to like move the extruder with the paper and calibrate this here, the screw, but it's not necessarily because it's already calibrated. Yeah, so this is the next step, the second step. So now that we calibrate the 3D printer, we just insert the plastic filament that it's going to be used by the extruder. From there, then you start heating the 3D printer. Watch how the 30 changes. You see there that it changed. Now it's going through 30 to 175 Fahrenheit. So now then this is the third step. So you open the program, and then you go to the internet, go to thingiverse.com, and on this website you can download anything. Like this is the Wikipedia of 3 printers, and then you can like download anything. Like people here create stuff and then upload the file, so you can download the file and print it. Okay, so we're going to open the software, the slicer. We're gonna go to file. Uh, we're gonna open a file that we just want to print. In this case, I'm gonna print a cube. So just move the piece from here. So here's the piece. Just go slicer, slice. From the slicer, you're gonna select print, and then when you select print, you're gonna see the 3D printer moving, and then your print is gonna start. So that's how you make your first 3D printed part. In this case, I cannot make a full demonstration because I need to change a piece on my 3D printer. Yeah, but I will put a video that I have. I will explain how this technology works, how the achievement